Bonjour les amis! Welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's word is a place where we learn and play with our friends. L'école. Can you say with me? L'école. L'école means the school in French. It's where we read the books, we draw pictures, and learn new things. Fred is getting ready for his first day. He's so excited to see his teachers and his classroom. Regarde, Renette, Fred says. I have everything I need for l'école. Renette helps him check his gear. Don't forget le sac à dos. Le sac à dos means the backpack. It's bright and big enough for all of his books. Fred opens his bag to show her what's inside. I have un crayon too. Le crayon is the pencil. Fred is going to use it to practice writing his name at school. Renette pulls out a stack of colorful pages. Et voici le papier. Le papier is the paper. Fred can't wait to draw a big arc-en-ciel on his paper. Je suis prêt pour l'école, he says with a big smile. So, let's remember together. L'école, school. Le sac à dos, backpack. Le crayon, pencil. Le papier, paper. Bravo les amis! What is your favorite thing to do at l'école? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun and French words every week. À bientôt!